I think that's for us.
That sounds a little intense.
Oh, HGTV. You ready? You want to do this? Thank you.
We came here because we heard on the radio that we might have the chance to win a makeover around downtown.
Downtown, for the past couple years, it's kind of been getting a little worse and worse.
We've hit some hard times. We've thought about throwing in the towel.
I've seen a lot of businesses go, there's not many left.
Sebring needs help.
Sebring, Florida. You're getting a Home Town Takeover.
I'm so excited for Sebring. I'm excited to see what's new for downtown Sebring. Maybe new buildings, new restaurants, new shops to shop at.
It's gonna bring tourism. It's gonna be a great project for the people.
I think the revitalization to Sebring is going to help the business because it's going to bring a lot of people to downtown, and we are actually located here in downtown Sebring.
We came here because we got to renovate your house.
We got 4 months to change a small town.
I feel very blessed.
Go!
Ben's gonna race.
We give you back the city on the circle.
Chauncey, surprise. Take 1 second sticks, Mark. Let's go.
Slow down.
Oh, sorry. Is Miss Allen here?
Can she come see us?
Oh my God.
Oh my God! It's you! We came here because we got to renovate your house and stuff.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you for everything you do for single parents in the Sebring community.
Oh my gosh.
You see firsthand when little ones come to school and they're struggling.
Yes, ma'am.
You're the one who knows, and I bet you're the one they go to when they feel sad or scared. So we want to help you.
Thank you so much.
And make home a place you're proud to invite people over.
Yep.
And to help these single parents.
That's right.
So you can do more.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I gotta give y'all another.
I love to see paper hearts hung up anywhere.
Hello. Hey, kids.
Hey, it is so good to meet you.
It's good to meet you. Oh my gosh.
I've been.
You're gonna make me cry.
So, what are we doing here?
What are you guys doing right now?
Looks like they're separating the colors.
They're sorting them.
Y'all love your kindergarten teacher?
Yeah, very.
A lot of people are inspired by you. That's why we're here. That's how we know about you.
Yeah, that's right.
A house is more than a house sometimes. It's a whole new chapter of life for you.
Right. We've, been living with my parents for a while, been in limbo, so it's been nice to finally have a home for my kids.
You're making a snake tower at this point.
We're doing some building while we're here in town.
Yeah, because we're gonna renovate your house.
Yeah. Is that all right?
Would that work?
Yes. That would be wonderful.
What are we doing today?
Ben's gonna race.
I'm not gonna race. I'm not racing anyone.
I think it still counts as
It
racing.
still counts as racing.
Drive on a racetrack.
Can you say boogity, boogity, boogity?
Boogity, boogity, boogity.
Let's go racing.
coming around 17.
Loving a tradition in our hometowns, then that's the thing they remember when they're adults and they have kids of their own. That's what's going to bring them back to Sebring. So how does a tradition start? You do it once, but then you got to keep doing it.
Who's ready to race? I said, who's ready to race? Yeah!
Go!
Bringing up the rear. Boy, that's a photo finish.
Okay, we're ready to rock and or roll.
That was the most lovely way to start the day. In perfect weather on a crystal clear lake.
Father's
mahogany
Day.
boat.
Father's Day's coming up. Okay.
Just in case.
Just in case you're looking.
Oh my gosh.
You see that water tower right over there? That's the circle. That's where we're headed next.
Yep.
What a day, huh? Sebring, Florida.
See you there.
So this is Sophie's Cafe. I saved this shirt specifically for today.
Just because it's a Cuban restaurant.
Cuban restaurant.
It used to be a church, a Salvation Army chapel. And
We actually worked with the Salvation Army. They worked with us on this.
to help restore the building, and we saved the original light fixtures, the original oak flooring.
It's a big day.
You look crazy.
I'm getting my...
We're getting microphones.
What?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my God.
Nothing but an incredible experience. The surprise that they've given us is unbelievable.
I feel very blessed to have been even chosen or considered for an opportunity this big. It's absolutely breathtaking.
Circle Theater Celebration, take 1 mark.
We are at the newly renovated Circle Theater, and you guys have to see what an amazing crowd showed up for our second century party. All right, guys, let's turn around.
The renovation is absolutely gorgeous.
Well, I think that it looks absolutely magical.
I remember this place 20 years ago when it was a nightclub. It was wretched. Now it's absolutely beautiful.
Tears to my eyes.
Yeah, I liked it a lot.
It was awesome.
Something that we do, anybody in town that does special things, is we give them a proclamation, and I'd like to read a proclamation to y'all. Oh. And this goes in the city records and archives. Oh.
It's just so amazing.
All right. Whereas on May 2nd, 2021, Ben and Erin premiered a show entitled Home Town Takeover on HGTV. We thank Ben and Erin for recognizing how great the city of Sebring is. I have also attached the key to the city of Sebring.
Thank you.
Thanks so much. All right, man. We appreciate what you guys have done. Something, this is kind of a formal thing, but I want to give you something that's personal. Okay.
Oh, I love it. You know where that's
I know
going.
exactly where this is going.
We can fix this.
You carved this?
I carved this, yes.
No, this is...
It's so thoughtful.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right, everybody, we got 5 minutes till Ben and Erin arrive. 5 minutes.
Sebring, Florida.
This has been the greatest working vacation of our life.
This is bittersweet for us.
It really is.
We have fallen in love with this town.
But it is time for us to go home and give your city back to you, so.
That's right. The wind. All right, but let's open this town up. We give you back the city on the circle.
I think that's a wrap.
That's a wrap on Sebring, Florida, y'all. Come see it.
Yep.
The best kept secret in America.
Yeah. For now.